And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this MacBook USB charger. So it's fast charge, Type-C, widely compatible, a USB-C charger inside of this box. Let's cut the seal and open it up. And nice. So they included USB-C to USB-C cable. Has a nice little strap on it. Gotta love that. See how long this is. So I'm 5'8", and this goes just over my head. So I'd say a 6-foot cable here. And then there's also a brick, and that's it for the box. So here is a little power brick, very Apple-ish skin look, all white. Absolutely no logos on it. Love that. That, of course, just pops right out to plug into your outlet, and then you have your one USB-C port, plug in your cable. Very nice. Also, if you were to plug this in, you get a nice little green light right there. So you do get a light. And then lastly, if I was to take this and plug it into one of my USB-C ports on my MacBook laptop, you would see it's charging right there. So there we go. That will do it for this USB-C MacBook charger. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.